Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to remove the Shopify search bar. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click Online Store on the left. On the Themes page, find your current theme. Click the three-dot button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In Filter Files, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This contains all your store's style code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit hosttube.net. The link's in the description. There's the code to remove the search bar. Simply click the button that says click here to copy. Once copied, go back to Shopify. In the blank line, just press Ctrl+V to paste. After pasting the code, that's all you need to remove the search bar. Now just go to the right side and click the Save button. Click that button, and after saving, if you return to your store, you'll see the search icon has been successfully removed, which also removes the search bar from your store. I hope this video helped you. Bye!